Alright, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh, okay, wait, Oh, okay. I have a cheater first rush. Cool. Okay. Oh, yeah, you are not legit. Holy, bro. You're lag ranging. Cool. Red is cheating, bro. Okay. Sure, buddy. Come on. Oh my god. yeah, you look at you, bro. Look at you, bro. Look at you, bro. Cool. Yep, he's just... Look at him, bro. He's going crazy, dude. This guy's insane at the game. Okay, well, first game on, immediately cue a cheater. I was gonna make like a commentary about, you know, like, hey guys, how are you guys doing? I'm doing a solo commentary for my win streak, but I guess not, dude. But I guess not. Guess I have to fight this freaking cheater. So. Oh. Wait, that's actually bad. I'm gonna get these two M's and go back. Did he go back to his base? No, he's getting M's as well. Okay. Alright, well. I need a silverfish on this guy. Maybe I can make something work. He's just gonna... Well, he's not going back to his base. He's gonna go around and get more diamonds, I think. Oh, he's going to green-yellow. They still have beds, though. Wait. Okay. Hopefully they can just kill him and maybe clean him. Or I can clean him. I don't know. Yeah, bro, all the diamonds are gone. This is not good. But he is... Dude, green, bro, green. Please, green. Green, bro. Green, let's team, please. No! Let's go, bro. Holy shit, dude. No way, bro. Yo, how do you cheat that much and lose, bro? Holy. Some people are... Oh. Hey, what's up? How do you lose while cheating that much, bro? Okay, Aqua just got... Green's dead. Oh, this guy's making moves. Fireball jumping everywhere. Out of here. Out of here, bro. Out of here. Oh, you clutched that. Okay. Alright, this should be free from here. This guy's like just a 5F KDR, 100 star. Nothing I can't handle, you know. Oh, going to gray? Oh. You gonna fireball jump? Fireball me? Bro. Yep. Yeah, nice try. Yeah. No. Oh, I almost just block shot myself. I'm gonna let this guy push me. Oh, unlucky. Okay, I think I just win here. Oh, he has mining fatigue. Oh, my aim's dying, bro. My aim! No! Okay, I'm good. I can make his gen. Please, please, please. Okay, nice. I got my sword too. Might get some M's here and there. See how it goes. If he gets my bed, I'm honestly fine with that. I have 4 M's in my ender chest, so I can get a pearl. Where is he? Okay, I see him. I see him. I don't think he's hacking, bro. I don't think he's hacking. I think he's just. I think I'm just misunderstanding. Okay. He did kind of block him. He did kind of block trap himself earlier, so I'm not too concerned about this guy's level of skill. But who knows? Maybe I'm misjudging. You never know. He's not in this. He's getting more diamonds. Okay. Let's go into green base. I'll just chase him down. Hopefully kill him. Gonna pot jump. Okay, this is gonna be a very fun game. I'm gonna pretend like I don't have a fireball. Gonna see if this guy can drop down on me. Okay, never mind. He invised. What? Bro. Drop down on me, I dare you. Oh, he's on 2, bro. Are you kidding? Like, please just die. I want to finish this video. I needed to daily upload something, so I played some solo Bedwars on my insane win streak. And I just hope something would happen. And okay. Oh no! Die! Let's go. Good fight. All right. Thank you for watching. This has been one crazy single game. Oh, YouTuber. That's cool. There's no way he lost with Prot and Sharp. I want to see. Did he have Prot too? He had Prot too, bro. No way, bro. And I had nothing. Like, holy, bro. Who is this messaging me? What? Alright, the solo win streak lives on, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will beat more hackers for you guys. And who knows, maybe I'll get 100. Alright, but that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And buy a channel membership to see this full game uncut. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.